Always number one is Mr. Mary Claire Palacio. Her vital statistic is 34, 34. For Mount Pinarata, which is silent by day of during the native years, Agos Colonia and President you can also enjoy the breathtaking view of the Rice Terraces, the steady coast of the islands, and the beautiful Chicos, and a gentle sound of Matabor Falls. She is wearing Kalinga weave brand, which uses intricate fabric and vibrant colors, often symbolizing cultural motifs and traditions of her beloved province. The designer was Alejandro Caleda, 20 years old, age born May 18, 1997, at Manama, Rizal, Kalinga. Her vital statistics is 34, 28, 34. And she believes that simplicity is the epitome of elegance. She is wearing a Kalinga woven dress designed by Emma Cardez, tailored by Mercy Kanyao Olga of Rolex, Indeed. Fashion repaired by R.R. San. Featuring unique pattern and vivid colors that narrates the beautiful pattern of Kalinga. We call this tradition woven as Pinamiko. Rice's indie fashion with slow and created the desires of your hearts. It is a mission to not only create stunning and unique garments, but also to create the rich cultural heritage of Kalinga people. The Kalinga people's rich artistic legacy is evident in the home decors and souvenirs products they produce, which also features the skilled craftsmanship and distinctive design. The municipality of Lian D. Alwon, her vital statistic is 27, 34. She finished Bachelor of Science in Criminology. She was a registered criminology profession at St. Louis College, she is representing Jubilang, Municipality of Basil, where culture and agriculture unites. In earlier times, it tells us a story of peace, love, kindness, and values deeply embedded by the community. It highlights it as because of our agricultural wealth, particularly heirloom and rice, coffee, and pottery. Emphasizing the roles of slow food, clean air, and sustainable farming, this was a reminder of rich culture. All born April 18, 1889. At Nanay, Tapos City, Kalinga. Her vital statistic of 24, 25, 28. And she believed in a saying that when the replacement from God arrives, you will forget what you lost. Honored and proudly represent the Kalinga Gamsa Hong Kong Association from the Upper Tabuk City, which consists of different barangays from the Barangay Pantay up to Barangay Dupa. These barangays of Upper Tabuk are well known with a lot of tourist spots, resorts, camping, and picnic grounds, and also celebrating different kinds of festivals, such as Cafe, Dekot Festival, Butas Festival, Inandala Festival, and Bamboo Festival. You can also find the majestic Banga Falls, Palayong, Minama, Tao, and Patauki Falls. She is wearing a
Permita y Pamipa. Her mortal statics are 34, 27, 36. She is representing City of Life, Tabuk. Tabuk City is right canary of the Cordilleran. It is famous for its vast rice, fertile land, and rich cultural heritage. The city is home of indigenous Kalinga tribes known for their strong warriors. Tabuk is also a growing urban center, balancing modernization with the account of exists not only craftsmanship but also essence of true queen. The designer of the gown was Miss Christina Kayat from Luknak, Baguio. Ladies and gentlemen,
Miss Kayat is 32 years old, married, and blessed with 3 children. Her vital statistics are 34, 26, 34. She finished undergraduate college taking Bachelor of Science in Criminology. She honors and proudly represents the beautiful municipality of Tinglayan, a great of 20 barangays, surrounded by the legend of Sleeping Beauty Kalinga Eke. Her hometown to the legendary Wangod, the last Mamba Bago, who was the first local celebrity traditional tattoo in Kalinga.
Miss Bernadette Unday Bayudang, the proud daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Celestino Bayudang, representing the breathtaking municipality of Balbalan.
Balbalan, gayam dito nagpayan, nagdrama.
In the rich tradition of Kalinga, with a heart full of passion and mindset on purpose. She stands before you today not just a contender, but as a woman who believes that true beauty lies in courage, compassion, and the power to inspire. Municipality of Balbalan is called the land of beauty, famous for its breathtaking attraction like the mga Maanos Cave, Sultan River, Mount Calvary, and the Balbalasa National Park. Balbalan is also known to those people. The colors and details represent the vibrant spirit of our land, blending the modern application with a cultural pride more than just agony. It is tribute to the beauty and identity of Kalinga. 32, 25, 32. Proud and honored to represent the 4th-class municipality in the province of Kalinga, and was once the capital of Kalinga, where General Emilio Aguinaldo celebrated its 31st birthday. This place is famous for the Mabilong River, the center of ethnic living industry in the province of Kalinga. It showcasing colorful ethnic construct weaving. You can explore this place, the Awichong Meta, Kamadayam Falls, Tiwon Spring, also known as the Fertility Queen Spring, and the Tangao Caves of Mugwan. The model is wearing dominant red color dress with a silang bituon design or between
She's wrestling a monkey with her vital statistics of 34, 26, 36. She is representing the municipality of Pinakpang with a remarkable landmark and the gigantic stone of Asiga. It is also
Legos
a
kayo na
rich
makatangga.
testament to the land's beauty and rich folklore, one of the Pinakpang pride. Towering over lush greenery and surrounded by crystal clear water, beyond its sheer size and tranquility, the stone holds a profound significance rooted in the ancient legend of Kabunian, the supreme god